22 years since it's been driven. 10 years since it's been started. The question now is, will it start?
Hi, Harley here. In the last video, I got everything cleared out from around this car. So today we're going to try getting it started. I need to change the oil, I need to drain and put more fuel in it, and I need a new battery for it because the old one went dead and is long gone. But first I need to get some supplies. I've been so focused on getting the convertible accessible and cleaned out around it that I forgot about this corner back behind the coupe. It's been a long time since I've pulled everything out of here and cleaned it out, and there was just a lot of dirt and dust that had blown back in the corner, a lot of spider webs that had kind of glued everything together. And so I spent a little bit of time today to clean this out because I needed space for a new toy that I picked up. While I was out getting the oil and the oil filter and things like that, I also got a new air compressor. I've been wanting a new air compressor for a while, but didn't have the place to put one or a project to justify getting one for. And so today with this project and now having a little bit of space in the garage, I went ahead and got one, but I didn't have a clean spot to put it. So I went ahead and cleaned out behind the garage here because I think it'll fit for temporarily for right now back here. But I've got these jack stands that have been sitting on the floor for years. They have a tendency to collect dust around them. They have a tendency to get spider webs around them, and it's just kind of a pain to always keep clean, and so they never do stay clean. I realized I have a perfect space right here between the corner of the garage and the garage door to put them. They should be able to just kind of hang right in here like this. I think that'll get them up off the floor, make them easier to get to, and leave more floor space in the garage. So that's the intermediate project between cleaning up and getting things going. There's always something, isn't there? Okay, the new toy has a new home, all nice and clean, ready to get put to use. So I got the oil changed, the fuel siphoned out, the air in the tires, and I kind of ran out of steam for the day. You can check out other videos in this project, continuing in the series up here in this playlist. If you're interested in videos covering everything from woodworking to electronics, photography, and working on old cars, I encourage you to subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, go make something. Perfection's not required, fun is.